Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
Once again, we've been hammering at this all morning. Dense fog advisory up across the entire area, both inland and near the coast. Fog has reduced visibility to, in some places, pretty close to zero. So allow yourself some extra time. Quarter-mile visibility now at all the reporting stations at this moment, but you know, that really does change from moment to moment. This fog moves around. It gets dense in some locations, then lightens up there, gets dense in other locations. So expect the fog. I guess that's my best advice. And then maybe you'll be pleasantly surprised and you won't find anything that's that limiting. But in some locations you might. So allow yourself the time just in case you do. And there is a fog travel advisory up for the Skyway Bridge because of the fog as well. 60, our air temperature, dew point, same thing. So we get a match. We get 100% relative humidity. Temperature and dew point is basically the measure of the likelihood of fog. If those two things are within 3 degrees of each other, winds are calm, skies are fairly clear, you're probably in a good position to get a little bit of fog around the region. We have across the nation right now an area of snow that stretches from anywhere from actually the Smoky Mountains all the way back toward the Rockies. So it's a large swath of snow showers, and some of it fairly heavy. The Arklatex seeing some fairly heavy rainfall, snowfall. And then that kind of transitions into freezing rain as you go a little further to the south. It is possible that as this low pressure area develops and moves off to the northeast, areas around the Atlanta airport might see some freezing rain transitioning into snow showers. That's what that pink is, freezing rain. So by tomorrow, there certainly could be some impact. Even later today could be in some impact from weather at the Atlanta airport hub if you're traveling this weekend. Otherwise, there'll be impact here locally as this frontal boundary sinks south across the region. First, today's not going to be so bad. After this fog lifts off, by mid-morning, we'll see the sun come out. It'll be a nice day. Then tonight, the front gets close enough that we start to fog up just a little bit. Then the showers and thunderstorms start to get a little bit closer during the overnight, particularly after midnight toward dawn tomorrow, our best chance of seeing storms. So your weather highlights: fog, then sunshine. That's for today with mild temperatures, by the way. Clouding up tonight, and it'll get kind of thick by tomorrow morning. And then storms, probably mostly after midnight tonight, though 1 or 2 areas of rainfall before then is certainly possible. But it's overnight tonight when the best chance of showers are, and maybe even a thunderstorm toward dawn tomorrow, and then that all kind of phases out as we head into the noontime hour. And then we get a little bit of clearing, we get a wind shift, we get some cooler temperatures moving in. Check out some of these cold temps across the region. 0 in Chicago, 6 in Cleveland. 32 even, freezing in Washington. Atlanta coming in at 38. Those probably will be wet, heavy snowflakes that fall across that region. -2 in Kansas City. Denver the same. Ouch. 27 degrees in Dallas. Those are some cold morning temperatures, no doubt about it. We're at 60, one of the hottest spots in the nation. We have a little bit of cloud cover that breaks up and brings us sunshine today. Then we'll watch those storms move in tonight. And then by afternoon, it's all gone. Skies clear out. Winds pick up. Small craft advisories will be likely throughout the weekend. So boating, it's today or you're just going to have to wait a while. South wind coming in at about 10, increasing to 15 knots overnight. And the forecast calls for that wind shift after the front moves through Saturday to draw down some cooler air. Saturday night into Sunday, 42 degrees the overnight low with some 30s in inland areas. Not a freeze, but cold. And then on Sunday, the high doesn't even make it to 60. Back to you.